Meet Maya. She's a 6th grader who just got a geometry worksheet, and she's staring at 4 weird-looking shapes: a square, a rectangle, a parallelogram, and a trapezoid. Her assignment? Identify all their properties by tomorrow morning. Maya has no idea where to start. Sound familiar? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you and Maya will know everything about these 4 amazing 4-sided shapes. Let's dive in. Before Maya can tackle her worksheet, she needs to know one big idea. What even is a quadrilateral? It's actually simpler than it sounds. Quad means 4, and lateral means sides. So a quadrilateral is any closed flat shape with exactly 4 sides and 4 angles. Here's a cool fact. No matter what quadrilateral you're looking at, its 4 angles always add up to exactly 360 degrees. Always. Maya writes that down first. It's her secret weapon. Maya starts with the square. And honestly, the square is the overachiever of the quadrilateral family. Every single side is the same length. Every single angle is exactly 90 degrees. That's a perfect right angle. Opposite sides are parallel, meaning they never ever meet. And here's a bonus. The diagonals, those lines you draw corner to corner, are equal in length and they cut each other exactly in half. The square does everything right. Maya draws one and labels all 4 sides the same. Next up on Maya's worksheet, the rectangle. Think of it as the square's chill cousin. A rectangle still has 4 perfect 90-degree angles, just like the square, but here's the difference. Only the opposite sides are equal. The long sides match each other, and the short sides match each other, but the long and short sides don't have to be the same. Rectangles also have equal diagonals, just like squares. Maya notices something. Every square is a rectangle, but not every rectangle is a square. Mind blown! Maya gets to the parallelogram and tilts her head. It looks like a rectangle that someone pushed sideways. And that's basically right. A parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides, and opposite sides are equal in length, just like a rectangle. But here's the twist. The angles are not all 90 degrees. Opposite angles are equal, but they can be sharp or wide. The diagonals cut each other in half. They bisect, but they're not equal in length. Maya marks 2 arrows on each pair of parallel sides to keep track. The last shape on Maya's worksheet is the trapezoid, and this one plays by different rules. A trapezoid has exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. We call those parallel sides the bases, the top base and the bottom base. The other 2 sides that aren't parallel, those are called the legs. Here's a neat angle rule. The 2 angles that share the same leg, called co-interior angles, always add up to 180 degrees. Maya thinks of it like the trapezoid is a shape that's still growing up. It only has half the parallel sides of a parallelogram. Now, Maya lays all 4 shapes side by side and sees the big picture. The square is the strictest. 4 equal sides, 4 right angles, 2 pairs of parallel sides. The rectangle relaxes the equal sides rule, but keeps those right angles. The parallelogram relaxes the right angle rule, but keeps 2 pairs of parallel sides. And the trapezoid? It only needs 1 pair of parallel sides. They're like a family. The square is the most specific, and as you go down the list, each shape gets a little more relaxed about the rules. Okay, let's try the first problem Maya finds on her worksheet. She has a rectangle with 3 angles labeled 90 degrees each, and she needs to find the 4th. Here's how we use our 360-degree rule. We add the 3 known angles. 90 plus 90 plus 90 equals 270. Now we subtract from 360. 360 minus 270 equals 90. The missing angle is 90 degrees, which makes sense because rectangles always have 4 right angles. Maya smiles. She checks it. 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 equals 360. That's exactly right. Maya's next problem: find the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 centimeters and width 3 centimeters. Perimeter means the total distance around the outside. For a rectangle, we use the formula. P equals 2 times the quantity length plus width. Let's plug in our numbers. P equals 2 times the quantity 8 plus 3. Inside the parentheses first. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now multiply. 2 times 11 equals 22. The perimeter is 22 centimeters. Maya writes it down, and she double checks. 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3 equals 22. Perfect. Now Maya hits a parallelogram problem. The base is 7 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters. The height is always the perpendicular distance, straight up and down, not the slanted side. The formula is area equals base times height. So A equals 7 times 4. Let's calculate. 7 times 4 equals 28. The area is 28 square centimeters. Maya's getting faster now. She remembers the height is always the straight-up measurement, not the slanted leg. That's the trick that trips people up. Great job, Maya. Last example. Maya's trapezoid has 3 angles labeled 110 degrees, 70 degrees, and 65 degrees. She needs the 4th. Same strategy. All quadrilateral angles add up to 360 degrees. Add the 3 known angles. 110 plus 70 equals 180, then 180 plus 65 equals 245. Now subtract from 360. 360 minus 245 equals 115. The missing angle is 115 degrees. Maya checks. 110 plus 70 plus 65 plus 115. That's 245 plus 115, which equals 360. Nailed it! Maya looks at her worksheet and realizes she's answered every single question. Remember when Maya was staring at that worksheet, totally lost? Look at her now. She found missing angles, calculated perimeters, and solved area problems like a pro. Here's your quick cheat sheet. Square, 4 equal sides, all 90 degrees. Rectangle, opposite sides equal, all 90 degrees. Parallelogram, opposite sides equal, angles that are not 90 degrees. Trapezoid, exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. And always remember, every quadrilateral's angles add up to 360 degrees. You've got the superpower now.